Welcome back to Elite Motion Car Trends, where innovation meets performance. Today, we're diving into the modern modified 2025 Suzuki Alto Hybrid X in a stunning black finish, a compact masterpiece that blends futuristic design with smart efficiency. The exterior gets an aggressive yet elegant transformation, featuring a redesigned aerodynamic front bumper, gloss black grille with chrome outlines, and sharp LED matrix headlights that illuminate the road with precision. The lowered suspension and 15-inch diamond-cut alloy wheels add a sporty edge, while the sleek body lines and tinted windows complete its bold street-ready stance. Under the hood, the 2025 Alto Hybrid X runs on a refined 660 cubic centimeters hybrid engine paired with an electric motor, delivering exceptional fuel efficiency and smooth acceleration. The hybrid technology allows seamless switching between petrol and electric modes, ensuring both eco-friendliness and performance. The advanced CVT transmission enhances city driving comfort while offering quick response when needed. Inside, the cabin showcases a perfect mix of luxury and tech. The black interior features soft-touch materials, leather-wrapped steering, and digital instrumentation that displays real-time hybrid performance. A floating 9-inch infotainment touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto ensures full connectivity, while the smart climate control maintains perfect comfort. Safety-wise, it comes equipped with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera for ultimate awareness. From its stylish black aesthetics to its efficient hybrid powertrain, the 2025 Suzuki Alto Hybrid X redefines what a small car can achieve. It's smart, stylish, and sustainable, a true urban revolution on wheels. Thanks for watching Elite Motion Car Trends. If you love this deep dive into the modern Suzuki Alto Hybrid X, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stunning car transformations and automotive innovations.